what's up? Welcome back. So today I'm here with my March kit lineup. As always, I'm very stoked for this one. I think it's going to be such a good month. So I already showed this combo in my February lineup, so I'm not going to go super in depth with it, but for the week of February 27th through March 5th, I'm using the Stay Groovy kit from SPC in honor of the Daisy Jones TV show premiering that weekend. I'm going to be absolutely insufferable that weekend, so sorry in advance. But yeah, to go with that, I'm just using a bunch of PlanWithMeStickers foil in pink tie-dye, which is like a really cool mixture of pink, orange, and silver, I believe. I just thought that it tied in really nicely with the art, so I've got my like regular weekly scripts, and then I've got the daisy headers, some custom quote overlays, some confetti boxes, the daisy bottom washi, and then the rock-on underlays. So that will be for Daisy Jones week. Then for March 6th through the 12th, I'm using last year's May Mystery from CaressPress, and it is called Moody, and it's this very pretty, like dark, moody green office vibey kit. I'm not using a St. Patrick's Day kit this year, but I still wanted to have some green energy for the month, so I thought this would be perfect. And then I'm going to be using a black foil bundle from SPC. Stand by. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I'm using a black foil bundle from SPC. There is a lot of black throughout the kit, so I thought that this would be nice to tie that in. And then for the underlays, I'm using the Art Deco underlays in olive from PlanWithMeStickers. Like, her olive is like a perfect match to this kit, and I thought the Art Deco, even though there aren't really like Art Deco elements necessarily in this kit, but I thought that it kind of had the same energy, so I thought that that would be really pretty together. Also, I'm not 100% sure on this idea yet, so this will probably be a game time decision, but at this point I'm pretty sure I'm going to layer the Art Deco underlays over solid black underlays from PlanWithMeStickers, just because this is such a dense pattern that only a little bit of the black is going to peek through, and I thought that that would be kind of a cool way to tie the underlays in with the foil bundle. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. So for the week of the 13th through the 19th, I'm using Pixie Grove by SPC, which is so pretty. I feel like it's the perfect St. Patrick's Day, but not St. Patrick's Day kit. I actually don't have the foil in for this quite yet. I just ordered it a couple days ago, but I'm using the fairy foil from Alicia Craft. I do have swatches of the colors I'm using though, but I'm going to do a mix of Blue Hollow and Lemongrass, which is like a lemon lime kind of color. I'm obsessed with it. It is one of my favorite fun foils. I think everybody needs it. It goes with so much. If you want the link, DM me on Instagram, but just trust and believe you need it. But I feel like it low-key just looks gold on camera, but it's like the perfect lemon lime color. It goes so perfectly with this dress. Like, just top tier. So yeah, I think that this is going to be a really fun spread. I think the blue hollow and the lemongrass just pick up on all of the colors in the kit beautifully. So very stoked for that one. And then for the 20th through the 26th, I'm using the SPC February Mystery. I feel like you could use this really anytime. I was strongly debating whether or not I wanted to use it in the fall or March, but it's just one of those kits where I didn't want to wait to use it. So I'm using it in March, and I'm just using the matte bronze foil bundle that came with it. However, I do also have some underlays from PlanWithMeStickers on the way. They're just like a very simple chevron tile pattern. I've been wanting to try those out for a while now, and I feel like those are the perfect underlays for this kit. And I will probably foil them in olive. So that's that. And then this next combo I think is so fucking fun. So this is for the week of March 27th through April 2nd, and I'm using the October 2020 Cyber Monday Mystery from SPC. So this is the original format of this kit. I'm not sure what it's called now that she's reformatted it, but I have always loved this kit. I just think it's so fun. I love how like retro and 80s it is. It's just like such a good kit. Obsessed with this foil combo. It took me quite a long time to decide what like core foil I wanted to use, but ultimately I decided on the silver and sparkly hollow bundle from SPC. I think those tones would look really nice with this kit, and I've got to have, you know, the little sparkle from the sparkly hollow, so I think that's going to be cute. And then for the underlays, of course, I'm layering sparkly hollow, and then I've got the chaos underlays from Plannahannah that I foiled in lemongrass. I feel like the yellow in this kit leans a little bit lime, so I feel like the lemongrass is the perfect foil to pull that out. Do you guys see how badly I fucked up this foil on this one? Like somehow a remnant from something else I was foiling got stuck on there, and I didn't realize it till it was too late. So now there are just some like random blue hollow patches on there. I may order another one. I may just roll with it. I don't know. I feel like at least on these two boxes, it can be covered up pretty easily, but whatever, we'll see. But I just feel like this is such a fun combo, and I just feel like it's gonna be so freaking cute. So that's that for my memory planner. And then I will grab my pre-planner really quickly and show you, well, it's not a pre-planner, like, let me be real here. It's just an extra planner. So let's hop into that. So I don't know the names of any of these kits, I'm sorry, but this is like a farmer's market kit from AppleBlossomPrints. It's like such a perfect March kit. So for the foil, I used a rose bundle from SPC for the overlays, and then the underlays are from Plannahannah, and they're just like a cute fruit pattern, which I thought was perfect for a farmer's market kit. And I foiled those in pearl. I was originally going to do olive, but I've been doing like olive a lot lately, so I thought I would spice it up with the pearl, and I'm a convert. I think the pearl is so freaking pretty. So then I'm so stoked about this base. Like, not to be dramatic, but I feel like this is some of my best work yet. I'm low-key mad that I didn't use this in my main planner, but I just wasn't in love with this art. But like now that I see it down with this foil combo, I am obsessed. But this is some mystery from CaressPress last year, and I used a sparkly hollow butterfly foil bundle from CaressPress, and then the underlays are the vine underlays from PlanWithMeStickers, and I foiled those in sparkly pink and sparkly blue. I don't know why, but that foil combo, just the sparkly blue and the sparkly pink. Y'all, I'm so dumb. I just realized I forgot the first week of March. Okay, we'll circle back to that in a minute. But okay, so I don't know why, but the combo of sparkly pink and sparkly blue just really freaking does it for me. I feel like I've used it so many times at this point, but it's just, it's so good. And like with the right kit, it's just perfection. But like, do y'all see how sparkly this is? I just, I cannot handle it. Okay, let's flip back to the first week here. So this is the first week of March. So this is I believe this was a mystery from Pink Diamond Planner Co. And it's just like cool, artsy, downtown loft vibes. And I just kept it very simple with silver foil. The bundle is from SPC. And then the underlays are the paint splatter underlays from Bun Bun Paper Co. Okay. All right. So, oh my God, I'm obsessed with this one too. Okay. So this is the Foodie kit from CaressPress. I think it was called Foodie. Don't quote me. But it took me so long to figure out what foil to use with this because there were just way too many good options. So for the overlays, I used like Rainbow Luxe from CaressPress in like sparkly gold. I thought the Rainbow Luxe tied in with like the rainbows and the kits really nicely. And then for underlays, it took me so long to figure it out. But in the end, I went with the humps pattern from PlanWithMeStickers because again, I thought that like that went really nicely with like the rainbows in the kit and whatnot. And it's like a neutral pattern, but it's still fun, you know? So I foiled those in sparkly orange, and it picks up on like the headers nicely, and like the fry box is kind of like a metallic orange. So yeah, I am obsessed with this. Like, anyway. And then finally, I have the like cottage core kit. I don't know what it's called, but it was in that like mystery bundle that one time from SPC. And for the overlays, I used the floral bundle from SPC in rose, and I layered the bougie boxes under the underlays from PlanWithMeStickers. So I used a combo of hands and tarot, and I used olive for both of those. The combo of those two underlays for like any kind of like woodsy, whimsical cottagecore kind of vibe kit is just like my favorite. I don't know why, but I just think it looks so good together. So yeah, that is going to wrap up my March lineup. Let me know what y'all are using. I would love to know. And thank you so much for watching and hanging out today. And I hope to see you in the next one. Later days.